Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing great. So this is another festive look I have created, and here I have used most of the products from Myglamm. So if you like any of the products from Myglamm, I have added link in description. You can go and buy for sure. And if you want to know how I have created this look, please keep on watching. So yeah, without any delay, let's begin. First, before applying the foundation, I am using this Myglamm ka youthful hydrating moisturizing cream with water bank technology. It is so amazing. It moisturizes my skin so well and hydrate my skin. Now for eye cream, I am applying this Myglamm का brightening eye cream, so that जब मैं concealer वगैरह लगाऊं तो उसमें crease ना आए. So now we move into primer. I am using this Myglamm का Tinted Perfection Base Primer and Pore Minimizer. Next, moving to foundation. So I will be using these two. One is this Myglamm ka Total Makeover FF. In this we have foundation, we have corrector, we have concealer. So for foundation I will use this and Kiko Milano ka foundation, Unlimited foundation. It is in the shade Warm Beach. So for foundation I have this. Orange shade for color correcting. Next I am using this yellow shade. Now I use this Myglamm ka Glow to Glamour fixing powder and shimmer powder. It has duo. So first I'll use this fixing powder to fix set. So for brows, I'm using this Myglamm ka brow definer pencil. It is in the shade. For eyes, I'm gonna use these two palettes. The one is Pop Exo Makeup Collection 4 eyeshadow kit. It is in the shade Hot Match. These are recently launched, and the color, if you see, this is so pretty color and it is highly pigmented. Check this. So the one, this one, and another I am gonna use this Myglamm ka Manish Malhotra range eyeshadow. Start with this. I'm gonna use these three shades from this palette. This one I'm gonna use this shade and this shade, hopefully. Yes. This Manish Malhotra eyeliner. It is in the shade Black Moon. It is glitter eyeliner. This is the first time I am using. I am using this Myglamm ka duo. It has eyebrow powder and liquid eyeliner. So I am using eyeliner from this. For mascara, this is my most favorite, you all know guys. So this is Myglamm ka Twisted Volumizing and Curling Mascara. So for blush, contour and highlighting purpose, I am using this Myglamm ka palette. It is in the shade, I don't know, Chisel. It is 3-in-1 highlighter, blush, bronzer. So first we'll use the bronzer from this. So here I am with almost done. Only the lipstick is left. So I am using my favorite. This you will see in all most of my Insta recent post and the YouTube video as well. So this is from Myglamm Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick. It is in the shade DM Slide. These lipsticks are my favorite. if you want to buy any of these, I am adding the link in description. You go and check this out. So here is the final look, and hope you guys like it. If yes, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to like, share and comment on the video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe.